Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download Fortnite on Android devices. Firstly, go to Fortnite's official Android download page and under Play Fortnite on Android, tap Download Now. If a warning appears, select Download Anyway to continue. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file, then tap Install, and if prompted, allow installation from unknown sources if your device doesn't allow that. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Fortnite installer. In the Fortnite installer app, go to the Fortnite page and tap Install to download and install the full Fortnite game. When the installation finishes, select Launch to start playing Fortnite. Now you're ready to enjoy Fortnite on your Android device. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.